Well, Cheeky, we're here at the little people party. Are you being a good little girl? And what are you doing?
I'm coloring.
And what are you coloring?
I'm coloring an Eglin.
Oh, well,
And
it's
I
a.
tried to put pink on his trunk, but it didn't come out real clear. But it's there.
Oh, I see. Hey, for a little girl, you got some big attributes down there.
You know what I heard? I heard the titty fairy visited,
Oh, the
and
titty
she came
fairy?
back a few
Oh.
times.
She's paid a couple of visits to you, hasn't she?
I think she might have got lost in my room.
Oh, and she just injected you with a couple of extra fairy dust.
She doesn't inject. She's got a wand.
I see. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna come back to you a little bit later on in the little wherever we are.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna
It's
sign
my
off.
unbirthday.
All right, it's your unbirthday.
It's everybody's unbirthday.
All right
It's
then.
our unbirthday.
All right. Okay, signing off now.